sure. Is it? Oops. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good. Oh wow. This tastes different than the Gatorade at home. It's sweeter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mas mas okay yung ganito. It's better than that one. Yeah? No, this is better than this one. Do you
Bigger
understand?
than this one?
This one is fun.
Compared to what?
That one.
Oh yeah, the trike. Yeah, I have an electric scooter at home. I love it. It's a very freeing feeling. I wish I had more places like this to where I could ride around, but I live in like a very urbanized area and there's so many cars and streets, it's not as fun. Like people drive way slower here. Like on the road I live, people go like 50 to 70 kilometers an hour. That's like an average speed. You can't ride a scooter on that.
Oh. Wait.
Is it on?
Huh?
Is it on?
Yeah, but I don't know how to. Shit. It's crazy. Okay na, okay na. Okay na. I'm okay na.
Set lang natin yung
Oh, may helmet pa pala ako.
Oh, yeah,
stand mo muna mo.